How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide on how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. So firstly, launch your Instagram app on the device. Ensure to install the updated version of the app and log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And once on the section, at the top, you can see his or hers like this. So these are all the pronouns that are added to your Instagram profile. To add this, you can tap Edit Profile button, which is next to the Share Profile. Now on this Edit Profile section, tap on Pronouns, which is at the third option. Here, you can easily select the language as well. For me, the convenient language is English, so I have chosen English. You can easily cross and delete this also if you don't like, and add your own pronouns like herself or horse, which is appeared on your screen. So you can easily write in anything that you wish to, and after that tap the tick mark at top right corner of the screen and it will be appeared on your profile like this. So this is how we can easily add pronouns to the Instagram profile. So thank you.